J 7-star bricks, welcome back. Today we've got set 75327, Luke Skywalker. Red 5, his helmet. I don't know why it doesn't say helmet. It should say helmet, but it just says Luke Skywalker Red 5. I guess it's known that this is the helmet set. It is known. Yeah, cool. 675 pieces. These boxes have some scenes from the movies. Well, really just scenes from Star Wars, but, you know, cool. Let's build this thing.
Red 5 standing by.
And there we have it, Luke Skywalker's Red 5 helmet. So take a look at that thing. This is pretty cool. So we've got a little microphone that sticks out in front of his face. We got a chin strap here. The stripe along the back. Now there's some really cool details on this thing, so let's see if I can move this into the light here. So you've obviously got the orange goggles hanging from the top. That chin strap is pretty cool, along with the microphone there. But inside, I'm going to have to angle this so the light gets in there. There we go. Inside, you've got pads that go over your ears in the helmet. So that's cool. I'm glad they didn't put a face in here. That would have really looked bad. So I'm glad there's no face. It's just the stand on the inside with an empty helmet on top of it. That actually looks really cool. So you've got these Rebel symbols on the top. It's interesting that they use these yellow flex tubes on there as a detail too. And then these are actually printed. These aren't stickers, so that's cool. Although it begs a question, like, why not just print all of these? And this is printed too, but then this is a sticker. So this is a print, this is a sticker. So I'm not sure how they determine which is more cost effective, but it's very cool. All right, guys. Once again, this is 7 Star Bricks. My name is Jay. Thank you for joining me. Give us a like and subscribe if you don't mind. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you here next time.